Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say I love you.
I do.
Say hi, Papa.
Hi, Papa.
Say I love you.
I do.
Say Ganko.
Hi, Coco.
Say I love you.
I do. Hi, Dad.
How about, you gonna show me your tricks?
Okay.
Okay, show me how you do a somersault over there.
I see you.
Show me how, oh, you're gonna show me how you kick? Show me a kick. Oh, do it again. Ow, no, don't kick me.
No.
That's not nice.
Okay.
Okay.
I need walk.
Okay.
I can't see walk. I can't walk.
You found a tiny rock?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with it?
I do it with water.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, up here.
What?
It's that.
What's what?
It's that.
What's what? You need to go night-night in the grass? You're getting all dirty. Show me how you jump. Show me how you hop. Whoa, that's a good jump. Show me how you do a somersault. Show me how you roll. Oh, woo. What else can you do?
They crawl?
And crawl? Yeah, show me how you crawl. Good job. What else? What else can you do?
They spin.
Spin! Yeah, we know you can spin. Don't get dizzy either. You're on a hill. Careful. How about? What are you being?
I believe.
Why are you screaming? It's just a car. Yeah. Yep. You're silly. Where are you going? Hey, don't scream. That's not nice. It's too loud. Show me how you run really fast. That is really fast. Good job. Now what are you going to do? Ow, you're scratching me. Thanks. Now what are you going to do? Oh, thank you. That was nice. Now what are you going to do?
I do pipe-balls.
Okay, go.
Oh.
What? It's not open? It's okay, it's okay. They won't get you, it's okay. You hear the birdies? There's a whole bunch in that tree, huh?
Yeah.
Say hi, birdies. Go give them kisses.
No, I can't do it.
Why can't you do it? Go give them kisses.
No.
Why? Go give them a kiss.
No.
How come?
They're up there.
There, see if they're gone. Go play over there. There's no birds. I'll get them. Don't worry.
I want Mommy to get them.
I'll get them if they get you. They won't get you. Don't worry.
Get them, Mommy.
Okay, if they come down, I'll get them, okay?
I can't down get them.
Yeah, if they come down, I'll get them.
I want to play again.
That's not okay. We don't whine. Go play.
Woo, woo.
Show me how you spin. Go over there. Whoa, careful. You're on a hill. Careful. Show me. Can you jump? Can you touch your toes? Those are your knees. Touch your toes. Good job. Can you touch your head? Can you show me your belly? Where's your boo-boo? Is that a boo-boo? That's your elbow. That's an elbow. Oh. Whoa. You okay? Look, who's that?
I'll go get him.
Go get him.